Hello everybody, welcome back to the Chateau, and more specifically the chapel at the Chateau, and my continuing of trying to get it cleared out and looking good. It is only a simple little thing. It is very pretty, but it's simple, modest. We have the three carvings, the three wolf's head, which is the Garonne, the local area, and it is pretty. Just it's simple. It goes on to the moat. It's got two windows, one on this side, one that's on the moat side, which needs some work because one of the panes keep falling out, and then just a simple bit at the back. So let's get it swept out inside and have a look. Isn't that so cool? The reflection from the water outside through the window onto the ceiling. Annoyingly, of course, it just points out that there's a board over one of them. That would look so cool if it was all glass, wouldn't it? Because these windows constantly fall out and need work. They're difficult to get to because of the moat. Significantly better in the edges, and it's certainly just a first run round, because what I want to do is remove, first of all, sweep everything up and then remove any areas which have been holding moisture. As you can tell by the coloration, there are plenty of areas which were holding moisture on there. I like everything to dry. It's easy to sweep up a second time, third time before I come in here, scrub anything or what have you. Now, well, I'd like to, now I've given this a clean, can we see See, that one's all a bit too clean. So much. It'll be lovely when all this is done. I'll have to have a look at this tomorrow. Unfortunately, the dirt was making the engraving show up a bit better. Silly me, but it's good looking after stuff. I guess I'll just see what that looks like tomorrow, and when I'll come in and do another sweep as things get drier and do some bits and pieces. But I mean, this is, to be fair, this is both sides, but you can clearly see the side which is onto the ground. You know, that's the side into the garden. Yeah, we've got paint flaking off all over the place, and you've got an issue up there, but that's nowhere near this side, where basically the water is wicking up into the foundation from the moat. It's something you don't get in the Chateau, despite lots of questions about that, because of how much higher, you know, the foundations are, and anything that would ever get damp are from the water level. Whereas here you're much closer, and of course successive people have allowed the moat to get too full or not dealt with it properly during flooding, which is what we're currently having now. And basically at the moment, the moat is easily 12 inches higher than it should be. And of course, those 12 inches along the base here, where it goes, will mean the water can wick up. The other thing, of course, is I'm sure at this point there is nothing stopping it going into the foundation. You can see these cornerstones here, so it is a proper foundation, but I suspect there is no mortar anymore between those stones, which will mean it is going in and affecting everything underneath. Another reason why draining the moat completely would be a good thing to repair everything. So at the moment I've got let me tell you about the French taxman. He waits for no one. So it's end of year stuff for the bar here, everything. And it's been quite a lot of admin work. I've been running around with the notaires, so French listers, because I am nearing the point where I can share with you something exciting. More on that once things have been signed, sealed and delivered. And I'd also really want to get a little bit of feedback from everyone at home that's watching about the things that they would like to see, about the constant questions. So this Sunday coming, I will do a video where I will answer, I'll pick some of the questions which are in the comments. So if you have questions, make a comment in this video. I will look through them, pick some of the more prominent questions. It's not just to stand in front of a screen and answer some questions. I'll go and try and show you if it's a question about here, or it's something interesting to where I can visualize and show, I can run around and show you these things. But so I will do a Q&A on Sunday, and as I said, I will pick comments from this video, and then so hopefully I can get some of your questions answered. Also that way I'll get some feedback about stuff going on around here, and you know, maybe that's a one-off, maybe it's an ongoing thing, who knows, we'll see. And hopefully it's a little bit more interactive for everybody. Certainly it will help me. Now I've got a load more admin to do, and as you can tell, the weather is a bit up and down at the moment. It's going between bright blue skies and then horrendous rain and flooding. So before I have to start building a boat for all of the animals and myself, I'm going to go inside and do some more admin work. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.